Hey everyone, before we start today's lesson, I want to remind you that you can share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School for a chance to be featured in our upcoming Artist Spotlight. You can start your free 7-day trial by clicking the link in the description below. And now let's get on with today's lesson. What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Sid from Ice Age. Let's go all the way up toward the top of our page. Along the sides, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. From the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a large gap in between. So let's line this up on the top right side, come down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now in the center of the eyes, we're going to move in and draw two circles for the pupils. And we'll fill those pupils in black. Now from here, we're going to draw that thick fold across the top of the eyes. Let's start from the outside, go higher in the middle, come in, and then bend that down. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Going up, bend that down. Now in between, we're going to step up and add a curve. Going up, across, and then down. Let's add those lashes across the top of the eye. On the left side, we're going to bend this out, and then up, move back down, and add another curve. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add that same fold across the bottom of the eye, starting on the left side, coming down, and then bend that up. Now I want to move in between the eyes and draw that large nose. So we're going to start on the left side. Let's add a curve. We're going to go up the middle, bend that down. Now on the ends, just going to round this out, come down and in towards the center, around at the bottom, go up and then around. Along the bottom of the nose on either side, let's draw two small ovals for the nostrils and fill those in black. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, curve this down underneath the nose, go across and then up. And I'm just going to add a bracket on the ends. Let's open up the mouth. Starting back on the left, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Just going to round this out, go up on the right side, bend this up, and then out. Now let's add those teeth. We're going to start in the center with a straight line, bend this out and up towards the left, go straight up. Now the tooth on the right is shorter, so we're going to step up, bend this out, and then bend that up underneath. Let's go back down towards the bottom of the mouth, add a curve for the tongue. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker. I'm going to fill the inside of the mouth. You want to go around the teeth and the tongue. Now underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the lower lip. Start by coming down and then up. Now we're going to go up underneath the eyes. We're going to draw in the cheeks, blending in towards the side of the neck. So let's start underneath the eye. Start by coming down and in. Just going to follow the curve of the mouth, coming down towards the base of the neck. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the bottom of this curve, coming down and in, and then pull that down towards the same height. Let's add a trim. From this fold, curve this up, and then down in behind the nose. Now I want to bring the arms across the body. So let's start from the left side of the neck, bend the arm going out, round at the elbow, and then bend that in. And then from here, draw the first claw, coming in and then down towards the same height. And it's going to add some thickness to the claw. I'm going to go up, round this out, and then come down. Let's layer two more claws on top of each side. Starting up here, we go up, bend that down, and then tuck that up underneath. And we'll do that one more time. Starting from the top, going up, and then down, and then add that point. From the top of each claw, I'm just going to curve the forearm, going up, and then out towards the inside of the elbows. Let's go to the top of the forearms, curve the body coming in and then up. Now we want to continue this trim along the side. So let's start from the side of the head. Just going to blend this in and then come out in behind the forearms. Now before we continue with the legs, let's move back up and add those lower lashes. Starting underneath the eye, then it's out and then down. Let's add one more. Going out and then down towards the outside. Let's continue the body underneath the arms. Starting on the left side, curve this around, round out the body, pull that up on the right. Let's continue that trim. Going around and then down towards the bottom. We're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left side, then it's down and in towards the heels. And I'm going to round out the feet, going down and then up towards the first claw. Let's draw that first claw. Going up, round this out, and then come down towards the end. Bend this up and then in towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to layer 2 more claws in behind. Starting from the top, go up and then down. Tuck that in. And we'll do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now we want to go back up to the side of the body and draw on the thigh. Let's start up here, bend this out, round up the leg and pull that in. And then in between the last 2 claws, we're going to curve this up and then in behind the leg. Now the last thing we're going to do is bring the tail out from the left side, starting from the leg, bend this down and up. And then we'll bring that back in towards the side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Sid from Ice Age. And once you're done, I want you to share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School. And you can do that by clicking the link down in the description below to start your 7-day free trial. And don't forget, by joining today, you get access to all our courses and workshops and all our membership features. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.